Good morning. Big gap down and run back up. Interesting this morning. Use some more action right into those levels. Looks like we're going to go down today. Ha, AMC, so funny. Not really going to get started on the charts until about 9 a.m., guys. I'll run the list around 9. I'll be back, guys. Morning, buddy. Oh, good. Oh, the videos you mean? Oh, okay. Good, buddy. Just talking to Kelly. She's in Jersey. But I'll be right back, okay, Chris? All right. I'm back. Wish is, calls on Wish are not going to be bad here. The calls. That's pretty fucking cheap. That's not a good sign, Chris. I have to go. I'm gonna have to look at the option contracts today. That's probably not a bad deal at $5. If I bought 100, if I bought 100 Wish option contracts, it would make Wish pop because the broker would have to buy the call, would have to buy the stock to cover my option calls. If I bought 100 contracts, that would be a lot. But anyway, all right, guys, 9 o'clock. Let's get into it. Everybody on. Talked to Kelly a little bit this morning. She's in Jersey. It's nice up there today. So, ladies and gentlemen, I will be watching this 431.55 pre-market highs for a short on SPY. Hush, I know. Up to 432.94, which is the bottom of this candle here, right in the middle of yesterday's range. So somewhere in here, I'm going to start in at 431.55, but be cautious. Could it run all the way back up? It could. But we had a pretty big gap down, and it broke some key support here at 428.91. So it's going to want to come down and test this stuff. We're all south of all the moving averages, the 9s screaming down. Okay, so we'll be watching the shorts here. This is where professionals come to play. When the market goes up and down, anybody could be a winner when it's going up. When it goes up and down every day, that's when people start getting chopped up. Okay, got that? And we can watch the low down here for a bounce, but 424.61 is where I'd watch for the bounce, not 425.69. But we can watch it here, okay? So this is the range. It's a 6-point range from top to bottom, 431.55 down to 425.69. Right? Y'all with me? All right, moving on. Qs. So you remember how I'm always talking about going short from the breakthrough to the retest of the level? What do we got here, boys? What do we got? Retest of the level to go short. So we're just going to make this red. We're going to get rid of this. This was our level from yesterday. Broke down, retested, couldn't make it, failed, came back in for the retest. I like Q short right here. Like it. Okay. Like it. Like it short. Okay? $359.27. We're gonna give it up to $360.24, which is the top of this little range. You see that? That's 50 cents risk. Right there. Right in here. All right, guys. That's the play on cues, and we once again can watch the bounce down here. Apple. Pre-market highs on Apple. Possibly into this previous call, 142.83 is probably the best spot right here for the short. But we can watch this pre-market high. Big candles make it tough to see. All right. AMC squeezed. It's funny. AMD. AMD ran it right into that downtrend and failed. We can watch that pre-market high up to yesterday's high. Actually, yesterday's high. Where does that put us on the daily? Just above. Yeah, coming into yesterday's high, we can watch for a short. We can watch the pre-market too, but I really like yesterday's high better. Okay? Long down here in the same area. Amazon. Amazon. Amazon should reject this 32.99 area. We're going to watch this pre-market high. So what I need Amazon to do for me to like the shorts, once again, we gauge with everything. We're watching the whole market, right? But I would like to see Amazon do this type of move and jammed and be heading this way while SPY is at highs, right? Before it comes down. And then we're going to have to watch our profit on this bounce. And if it breaks under, this is what we're looking for. Okay. Previous close on Amazon is, let me see. It's probably going to, are we sitting right on the close? Yeah. Close right here. It's easier to see on this other chart. Hold on. 32.86. Anyway, that's kind of what we're looking for there, okay, guys? Boeing's got another candle up to 278.86. Boeing's going to run. What are they going to open the world back up? Back to Boeing. Boeing's very interesting. It's got another candle up to that high. I'll be watching for a breakout play on Boeing. That's what I'll be looking for. All right. Baba. Nothing on Baba. Carnival came right into that level. I said, look, boys, look where I wanted to take that trade on Carnival. Did it pre-market, bastards. There it is, right there. Dang. That's the bounce. Now, because it did it pre-market, we'll have to wait for this bounce. $23.48. It's the next area. Coinbase skyrocketed up off that 224.54. Guess I should have took that trade. Oh well. Disney. Nothing on Disney really. That's interesting. Facebook got a candle up here in the middle of nowhere. What is this, Facebook? Is Facebook's giving a sign that we're making a fake out short and we're going to go long? What is that? All right. I'll listen. Huh. All right. Okay. We have dipped to this 337.01 for a long on Facebook, down to 336.19. If it doesn't hold the long, reset down here at 333.69. But this is very interesting, this candle right here. Let me see if I can find some more of those. Google's got a candle in the basement. Purge! I was waiting for it to say, fuck you, Wish. Google as follows. 26.49 for long, 27.08.11 for the short. And if it breaks under here, this is going to be an important level we're going to watch. YouTube's quiet today. Oh, guys, remember, what's today, guys? What do we do on Fridays? Size down. What's your fearless leader do? Size the fuck up. That's a fact. I make so much money Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, I can donkey some off on Friday. You're absolutely correct. All right, guys. Remember the retest of the levels to go long? Look, broke the level, stayed in the risk. Intel. Do you see the Intel trade? Look. See the Intel trade in the risk. Back and forth, back and forth. Now we're down. We're down, and we come back into that level for the test. We just changed this to red. Then move this up there, and there's your risk. That was easy, wasn't it? I don't really like the long here. We're going to delete that. I don't have a long on Intel, only a short, okay? Well, we can watch this 52.32. You need to make sure you're taking profit at 52.32 if you're in it, because it may bounce there. It's a daily level here. Okay. Oh, you think so? What did you think your other stock was going to do that you purchased? I'm just wondering. Don't think you know which way the market's going to go, okay? You have an idea, but you try not to get where you don't take the trade. You remember was it earlier this week I didn't take a trade on Qs and I'd have made a massive trade and I didn't because I was short biased when I should have been not biased at all and just took the trade as it come into the level? Do you remember that? That's why. Oh, Moderna. I knew Moderna was going to shit the bed. Talked about it. I said I don't like it. I'm just not going to trade it. It's ugly. And bam! Microsoft. Big candles. Hedgies talking back and forth to each other. That's what all this shit is right here. Just got to figure the system out. All right. I don't have enough data. I'm almost there. I've almost got enough data that I can go back and look. There's a reason that I'm doing what I'm doing on YouTube. Exactly. It absolutely means something. Absolutely no question about it. Yeah. Microsoft. Microsoft short. I can't even see my damn chart. These candles are so big. What is that? 283.52. This level right here. We can watch that for a short. See how it lines up? You see how it lines up the close and the bottom? You see that? Get rid of this green one. All right, guys, we're going to watch that for a short on Microsoft, 283.35. Remember how I took the loss of Microsoft, Chris? Remember I was like, it's going up. Do you remember that? And I took this bath right here. Right? Right here, we took this bath because of this. But it's got to come here. It's going to come down here first. And then it's going to turn around and go back up. I know that. I know it's going down there. That's why I'm shorting it. So anyway, Microsoft short, 280.35, 283.35. Make sure you're taking profits coming into lows, guys, down here. And if you're up, down, take profit. Coming into moving averages, VWAP 200, the open, take your profit coming down. But you boys shouldn't have enough contracts by the time you get down here. So you should have long gone, be gone. MU. Pre-market high. Maybe here. Right in the middle of that range. I like that risk just a little bit better. You can start in here. Let me get rid of this one. Right in this neighborhood up by highs. 46 to 52, right into that range. And you're going to give it up to here. 71.81, 30 cents risk. That's it. Okay? Whoop, yellow. Tired today, boys. Tired. Oh my gosh, what are you doing? Guys keep making me go backwards. That level. No, 283.35. And listen, this isn't an add-on position, okay? This is a previous call level at 283.99, okay? We actually could take that up to 283.99. That's going to be our box. And if it doesn't come down from there, we have to cut it. because it can just float and come all the way back. We can't ride the fucker 5 points, right? So just remember that. Short into 283.99. You could even wait for 283.99 to start in. Do you got that, Chris? Can I move on now? All right. All right. 71.52 short MU. Up to 71.81. That's your risk. Got it? Netflix broke highs. Holy shit. Well, there ain't nothing on Netflix we want to play with, so we'll leave Netflix alone. Oh, Nvidia came right into my damn level. Son of a bitch. They did all my big moves pre-market. Look at that beautiful 4-point move. And now they're going to bring it down and jam it right through that level. Bling! We'll watch this 203.62. Nvidia can move so violently sometimes that we got to be super careful. Where's this lineup at? We can watch this 209.50 for a short. Pre-market highs we can watch as well. 208.63. That's about a point up to that 209.50. There's your short range. We need this to come down, right? We need Nvidia to do this number, get down here and be hanging in this range at the open, and then come up for the rejection, right? Or if we come straight down first, the pop the other way, right? All right. That's what we're watching there, down to 203.62. This is going to be probably the best play for the bounce. Let me look here. Let me look at something. Yeah, 203.62 down here. Let's watch that level. There should be some buyers here at 204.66 as well. So we'll just watch it how it comes in, okay? PayPal, basement. It's got a candle and a phantom tick. I think we have to short PayPal today. 244.28. Holy crap. 22. Blue. Take yesterday's highs. $263.29. Hold on. 263.40. I like this short right here. 263.40. I haven't had PayPal on my main watch for a while, but I'm gonna have it there today. Yes, Chris, there. Good work, Chris. Way to draw on my damn screen. All right, 263.40 for the short on PayPal. I like that short there. Need a little more distance. It needs to get down in this neighborhood and come back up, but we can watch that. Now, listen, guys, a lot of these levels, this stuff will start to tell us whether we're going to go down or up. If we start looking across the board and we see all these other stocks starting to break this level, break the level, MU, AMD, they start breaking the levels. What's that tell you? That the rest of the market's probably going to start breaking those levels too. So we watch for whoever starts to break out and then see if everybody else starts following through. But I think we're going to get a little pop and dump. But they could be just making it look like a pop and dump, but they're going to jam it up on a Friday because everybody's going to short it thinking it's going to the basement. Remember, it could go both ways. All right. Qs. Short 359.27 up to 360.82. Pre-market highs, we can't take it if it's sitting on the effing level. It's got to come down some, okay? And if it breaks through, just let it go. Don't chase it. Let it come up here to the highs of the pivot up here, 361.54. We'll let it come up in that range, and we can try to stab at it again. But we had a big dump, big gap down, and then it got bought back up. So it's got to want to come down and test these lows. Just like I talked about the other day, wanted to come down and test the lows, and it did. Okay? Space Trash. SPY. I like SPY short. It might take a couple of stabs. 431.55 up to 432.94. Depending on what we happen, if it just starts jamming up, I'll just wait for it to get up in this neighborhood and this congestion, and then I'll start looking for some lower highs. Might want some confirmation on the short versus taking the first hit. You know, let it do a double top or a lower high and then enter. We'll just have to see how the market opens, right? Square nothing. Kelly, Netflix broke highs yesterday. Missed it. Tesla's got another big candle up. That's Facebook, Tesla have those candles. Everybody else is down. VIX. Wish is in the basement. Walmart's got a big candle down too. What is going on? Why are those doing so poorly right now? Like all the stocks are selling off coming into Christmas. It's just weird. Like all the retail stores. I don't know. What did it do last year? Walmart. See, it sold off in September last year too. Well, that's interesting to know. And then ran back up in November. What did Baba do? Ran back up October, November. Wish should run back up October, November, Chris, I think. Anyway. All right, guys. Here we go. Amazon. 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 Amazon is currently up at the moment. So we can watch those lower levels for the calls if they come. If it just comes straight down, we can take those calls. Video down here. Short here. Easy peasy. Open the brokerage here. Whoop, not that. Got about 3 minutes till the market opens. Friday, guys, size down. Remind me of that when I'm balls deep. 2 minutes. I need to go get some coffee. Be right back. All right. Ten seconds. All right, we're up by these upper levels, so there's going to be no shorting right now. We're going to have to let it go. So just sit back. Oh, we're about 40 cents. I guess I'll watch it. Depends on what Amazon does right here at pre-market highs. If it breaks out. Broke out. $432 puts I'm watching on SPY. Video tagged the level. $432 puts I'm watching on SPY. As it comes in here. I executed. We'll see. Filled me 186. That's a pretty good fill. Should have took NVIDIA and I took SPY. Oh well. NVIDIA's tanking. AMD's tanking. Add some more SPY. 181. Adding into my position here. See what happens. Here we go. Come on. Come on down. Come on. Just give me a jam to VWAP and I'll take my profit. Come on. There we go. There it is. Fill me at $2 even, baby. Took a little profit right there. Still failing. There we go. Profit again. Man, I missed that NVIDIA. It was perfect. Microsoft was perfect as well. SPY's perfect right now. Come on, SPY. I have to take some more profit. Maybe not. Oh, we're going down. Here we go. $217. Took some more profit. Be interested what happens when NVIDIA gets down here. I'm going to take another profit hit at VWAP. Have a stop set on SPY now, just in case it jams back up. Doesn't have to keep going, remember that. Apple straight diving. Almost to pre-market lows. Take profit here again into VWAP. Boom, baby. $234. What a beautiful fill. Jason's doing the happy fucking dance, baby. Shit. Here we go. Still going. I still got some left. Come on. Woo! Let's go. Squeeze a little more profit there. Things are coming into the bounce. Might bounce the close in the 200 here, guys, so be careful. Watch your profits. Amazon's trying to go back up for a pre-market double top. Microsoft is bouncing. I just peeled a bunch of contracts off. Amazon broke highs. 253 now is my best fill. I don't like Amazon broke out right here. You watch NVIDIA. This is a straight top to bottom. You know what? I might just take my fat win and call it a day. There goes Amazon. I'm closing it. I'm all the way out. No open trades. I closed it because Amazon broke out right here. I don't like that breakout. And it may continue to go, but I don't give a damn. I made all my money in that move right there. That's all I need. It's Friday. Google's squeezing. Apple's bouncing. Damn it, this NVIDIA trade's going to be good. Microsoft bounced. We may come up and do a double. Now, Amazon is taking the fuck off. Hey, Mahaffey, I see that fucking grin on your face. Don't fucking take another trade. Chris, you in or out? Oh, okay. What'd you say, Jay? That's good. Good. Good, buddy. Right. Nvidia's SPY still coming down. I really want to take Nvidia long. But I'm trying to be patient, let it come down here. 203.63, I'm going to grab that bitch long. Maybe. Microsoft just broke out of the short level. Apple's bouncing. Google's still running up to the short level. If it bounces that 2708, that's going to jam SPY down. SPY's trying to put in a higher low. I might take a stab at NVIDIA here. Hold on. 205. Uh-oh. Nope. Gonna wait a second. They fucking talked me out of that short. Oh well. I made a bunch of money. I don't give a fuck. My best fill on SPY was $1.81 for my purchases, and my best fill selling was $2.54. Yep, here comes NVIDIA. I thought about it. I'm like, no, 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 be patient. Let it come down. I want to see Q and SPY come into these levels down here, and I want NVIDIA to hold this. Google's running up to the level. Amazon broke out, which is interesting. Ran up to yesterday's open and then came down. SPY still jamming. Son of a bitch! I gave away $70 on my contract. That's fucking green candle. Fucking Amazon. Fuck you. Come on down here, NVIDIA. 203.62. Let's get long. There's pre-market low. Close. If it bounces here and runs straight up, I'm going to be pissed. Amazon's coming down now, so I'm not as... Q's is diving. Microsoft ran straight into the risk box and failed. Look, Microsoft, perfect. Risk box failure. Buy, add into the level, straight back, sell, hold, and sell as it dips. Here comes SPY. Comes NVIDIA down. 202.50s I'm watching for NVIDIA if we're going to get a bounce. I think we are. I think it's going to bounce here. I'm going to take a stab at it. $20 contracts here. About 203.80s if it comes. 203.60s. Is Wish shitting the bed or something? Oh. That was a nice play, guys. Nice move. See how it bounced coming into the 200, so I'm always bitching at you to take profit coming into the moving averages. NVIDIA's almost there. I just got to let it keep coming. Shit, this might break this and keep coming. There's the level. Come on. Fill me 238. I took a stab at NVIDIA. We'll see if it works. It was straight into the level down here. Fill me 238 on the 202.50s. I'm up 30 a contract. Whoop! Woo! I got a little profit out of there. Took 20 contracts, sold 5. There we go. Come on. Come on. Boom, baby. 270. Come on. Come on, NVIDIA. I don't have many left here on NVIDIA. I won't go red in this trade. I'll stop out at $2.38 a contract. Okay? I got 10 contracts left. Nice short on SPY. We already big green on. I closed that position. I've now taken NVIDIA long. Hit the level at 203.62. I got a great fill at $2.38 a contract on the 202.50s. I don't think this is going to hold. That's why I took my profit, and I'm just kind of hanging on to see what happens, see if it's going to try to hold or not. The rest of the market doesn't make me think it's going to. That doesn't mean it's not going to bounce here. She's coming up. Come on, do a V shape. Go straight up. $286. Took a little more NVIDIA off. I take my profit when it comes, guys. I don't mess around. The Microsoft short was beautiful. Yeah, so was Q's. SPY and Q's were perfect, guys. Perfect. These are perfect trades. NVIDIA's bouncing. All the trades that I've done this morning are perfect. Perfect. Oh, here we go. Come on, NVIDIA. I don't think it's going to hold this. That's why I'm peeling contracts. Because SPY wants to come test these lower levels. Like, look, if we back this up, SPY's got a long way to come down, guys. Long way it can come down. A little higher low on NVIDIA right there, that nice suck-up candle. I moved my stop up a little bit. 258. Oh, just stopped me out. No, it hasn't executed me yet. I saw it flash. Now I'm out. All right, I'm out of NVIDIA. SPY broke lows. I took that first bounce, worked good. The retest of VWAP, oh shit, this thing's gonna tank. I knew I should have shorted this. When I backed it up, I'm like, man, I need to get on this short. Microsoft's still up by highs. If we get a nice little pop-up on Microsoft, I might grab it short. Or I'm just going to call it a day. It's 9:45 and I made a lot already. That first bounce on NVIDIA worked. This tells me that we're going to go all the way to the bottom, I think. We'll see. If SPY doesn't hold here, it should come all the way down. That's that pivot from the close. See, Q's has a lot of room to come down. Same area on Q's. I can't see it. All right, YouTube, I'm out of here. This is a quick day today, 15 minutes win. Well, I guess I could leave it on. It doesn't matter. SPY's trying to bounce at 429.13. Remember to back up the charts and look how much range we've got. 425 it can come down to. 425.69 on the short. Made a nice little $30 a contract on some contracts here on NVIDIA. Stopped out $20 in profit right there. $20 a contract, that is. I thought about buying SPY short, but I wanted it to come up to the 200. Damn it. We're going to crap the bed here, guys. Oh, Microsoft right now. $285 puts. Come on. Come on, come up into that double top. We bouncing? What are we doing here? Oh, well, I'm glad I didn't execute on that Microsoft. Woo, shit's brand new, broke pre-market highs. Watch the shorts. If you're short, be taking your profit. Microsoft just broke its early high. It's now breaking out of the box. All right, I'm done. That's all the fuckery I need to see. No more trades for Patrick today. All done. That's fuckery. Microsoft should have failed, guys. Look. The market's down. Microsoft runs back up, breaks that high. That's one sign that we're going to come back up. Right? There's buyers. There's buyers coming in. Look, there's buyers coming in. Here goes NVIDIA. See? Here she comes. Let's look across the board. Apple's at a double bottom on the open. Man, that's a... I like that trade too. Man, what kind of fuckery shit is this? Let me watch this VWAP tag. Don't chase it on Friday, buddy. If you're not green, don't even take another trade. I got filled on that SPY short just now. While I'm talking to you, I executed. The 430 put. We'll see if it, I mean, I'm up on it right now. I really shouldn't have took this trade. I'm already green. I got filled at $1.71. $1.72. Come on, baby. Peel a little profit here coming into the double bottom. Thank you. Boy, I was late there. I got a shit fill. Wow. What a shit fucking fill I did to myself. That's what happens when you don't do it when you should. That fucking suck up cost me $10 a contract when I just sold. I won't go red in this contract. I'll just close it. So $1.72 is my stop. Come on, baby. Give him a little fake out and then tank, because that's what it looks like. Higher low, slam! That's what's coming, watch. Watch it. You see this little higher low, and then they're going to dump it. Watch. Apple broke the open. It's coming down. There she goes. There she goes. We're up 30, 40 a contract. Take a profit. Right there. Bang. Thank you. I'm not taking any more profit. I'm keeping these contracts now. I think it's going to come all the way to the bottom. Don't bounce on my damn level. Son of a bitch. This thing's going to piss me off. Come on. I know you're fucking going to the basement. I made almost 40 a contract right here when I took profit. Now I'm hanging on to the last 40 contracts I got. Come on. I'm already up a bunch, guys. I ought to be selling a ton of these. I'm trying to catch that big dump. See how it's pulling up? Don't fucking stop me out, damn it. Nvidia's still trying to climb. Microsoft shorted off that 284. Apple's still coming down. Google's coming down. Put in a lower high. I think we're going to get a big dump candle right here. Come on. Let's let the bottom fall out, baby. Q's coming down. It's fighting it. It's fighting it. I'm stupid. I got to take some profit off of this. I took some profit off. I'm up too much not to be taking profit on this trade already. I just lowered it. Down to 30 contracts. Nvidia's trying to climb. I'm almost stopped out. That was close. It almost stopped me out right there. If it pushes up anymore, I'm going to stop out. Woo! Come on, now you're going the right way. Now you're going the right way. SPY's got all this distance to come down, too. It's trying to hold this area. We'll see. Come on. Come on. Come on! There we go. There we go. Woo! I gotta take 10 contracts off. I just got filled at 222. The 430 puts. If y'all keeping track, that's 50 a contract I just made. Apple's breaking lows. Microsoft's coming down. That Microsoft trade was a fake out. Nvidia's still trying to hold. Amazon gets underneath this 3274, all hell break loose. Q's is diving. There goes Amazon. Amazon should bounce that first hit. I got 20 contracts riding. Currently up 50 a contract. Mahaffey looks intent. Whoops. The fuck did I hit it? How did I open that? That's why you take profit. Told you it was going to bounce right here. Think that I'm going to watch this little downtrend right here. And if it can stay underneath that, I'll stay in it. But if it starts to break out of that, I'm going to get out. Just take my profit and be done. Man, that just sucked $30 a contract away from me on those 20 contracts I got left. This candle. That's so sick. Higher low on Nvidia. Google's coming down. Are we wish-washy on the board? Yep. Moderna's off 10%. Holy shit. Watching that downtrend, guys. I don't think I really want to go above this trend. I'm getting ready to close the whole thing. I have it set to close. And when I say close, I market close. I don't limit close. When there's only a $2 or $3 spread, there's no sense in limiting in and out. My 430 contracts are holding about $20 up. I'll probably end up $10 up if I execute, if we break that. Hoping this is a fake out again and then there's a big dump. Talking about $1,000 on 20 contracts unrealized, roughly. You back in, Mahaffey? You look like you're back in. No? Nice. I'm being greedy with this trade. I should already be out of it. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Gotta watch what I'm doing here. There it is. I'm out. I just closed. Filled me $1.98. And if it goes down from here, I don't give a shit. I'm done. I made a ton of money today. I'm all done. I'm going to stop fucking with it. It's Friday. I took two more trades after a big win. Oh, that was such a beautiful candle. Take it short, too. Killing it, baby. Got the new boat interior in. The wife's out of town. We're going to the Sizzler. Oh, shit. I think she's listening. All right, YouTube. I'm out of here. I'm going to talk to my guys in the room. See you later. Nice day on a Friday.